This is the case of very small perimembranous VSD in adult female patient. This is the location of VSD. Here you can also see in the 2D mode. This is the location of VSD. This is the VSD. You can see the hole in internal septum. That is the VSD. Here is the flow. So this is the case of perimembranous VSD. Again the same thing. Perimembranous VSD in 2D mode. Now you can say that this is perimembranous VSD. In short axis or at the aortic valve level, what you see, if the VSD is located at 9 and 10 o'clock, then it is perimembranous VSD. Or you can easily say if VSD is close to tricuspid valve, that is perimembranous VSD. If VSD is almost close to pulmonary valve, that is outlet supracostal VSD or doubly committed VSD, that is both below aortic valve and pulmonary valve, that is outlet supracostal VSD, that always requires surgical correction. But in this case, whenever VSD is very close to tricuspid valve, that is perimembranous VSD. VSD is likely to get closed by the edge because the redundant portion of tricuspid valve, extra portion of tricuspid valve, tries to close the VSD also. So ultimately VSD gets closed, but this is the case of adult patient with remaining very small perimembranous VSD. In this case, I want to highlight how to localize perimembranous VSD. Whenever you see VSD near to tricuspid valve, that is perimembranous VSD, or VSD at 9 or 10 o'clock, that is perimembranous VSD. Whenever you find VSD at 1 or 2 o'clock, that is outlet VSD. In between both these two positions, whenever you see, that is outlet infracostal VSD. Perimembranous VSD is almost likely to close if it is small in size, and outlet VSD never closes by itself even it is very small, and even it closes likely to damage aortic valve, that leads to aortic valve registration. So it is quite dangerous. Whenever we find outlet VSD of supracostal nature, we suggest surgical correction at early age so that no AR happens, no damage to aortic valve happens. That is the point to know. So in case of VSD, you have to say that there is no AR, no aortic valve registration, no damage to aortic valve. That is the complication point of VSD. I can see the position of the VSD. This is the VSD. So perimembranous VSD in adult patient. This is the gradient across VSD. Velocity is a 6.23 meter per second and peak gradient is 155 millimeter of mercury. So quite restrictive in nature. Pressure has significant pressure gradient, that is restrictive in nature, very small size of VSD. This is the size of VSD, that is 1.4 millimeter of mercury in case of adult patient. So quite small. Thank you.